Hello Capricorn, welcome po sa inyong reading. This reading is for May 24 to May 27. Now Capricorn, for those of you who's new to the channel, don't forget to click the subscribe button, smash the like button, comment below kung kayo nakaka-resonate, and hit that notification bell. At kung gusto niyo po ng dalawang reading po mula sa akin, doon po yun sa kabilang channel, that is Pabaylan TV. No? Yan po ang ating unang channel catered for our international audience. And Capricorn, kung gusto niyo po sumali sa ating live session sa kabilang channel din po yun. Kung hindi niyo naman po matsyempohan itong live sessions natin, pwede naman po kayo magtanong dito sa YouTube videos, sa comment section po, as long as the question is answerable by yes or no. Or kung feeling nyo naman hindi kayo masasatisfy doon sa yes or no na nasagot, huwag pong mag-alala kasi dito po sa description box ng video na ito, meron po siyang link. You just have to click the link, you will be routed to my page or my website na may form po doon. Good for one question, two questions, and we have a promotion of 4 plus 1. So may libre pong isa. And kung gusto niyo pong mag-avail ng ating private reading, check nyo lang din po ang link sa description box. So Capricorn, I want you to know that this is a general reading. So you may resonate with the entire reading or you may resonate with some bits and pieces of the reading. So take what only yours. So Capricorn, magsimula na tayo. As of the moment, parang feeling mo, kumbaga, hindi ka naman nagre-reklamo pero parang hindi na siya ganun kasaya. Kumbaga, kung babalikan natin yung mga past weeks or past months, kumbaga hindi siya ganun ka, it's supposed to be happy, pero bakit parang ang hinahanap mo dito, kailangan ko pang gumawa ng mga bagay, na kailangan mag-trigger sa'yo para pasayahin, itong connection natin or para mag-engage ka sa connection. So, anong mali? Anong nag-iba? Ano yung parang nagawa ko? Kini-question mo na rin yung sarili mo para mag-iba ang timpla mo, So, ang nakikita ko rin dito, parang meron ding bakit, Bakit biglang nagbago or bakit nagbabago itong relasyon natin, With the King of Wands, the Ace of Swords, and the Fool card. So, ang nakikita ko dito, parang may age gap, it may be May-December love affair. It may not, ang May-December love affair, ito po yung tinatawag na parang ang agwat po is sabihin natin 52 years old, then 18 years old, yung parang ganon. Pwede rin hindi naman konting agwat lang. If we are not discussing yung age, then someone is mature and someone is, let's say, a little childish mag-isip, Ang nakikita ko rin dito, it may also be an LGBTQIA plus relationship with the Knight of Swords and the Queen of Swords. Parang bigla na lang nagkakaroon ng mood swings yung isa sa inyo. Biglang nagagalit, all of a sudden, bigla na lang naghihiyaw, nagsisisigaw. So parang nai-stress na rin. It could be you na nai-stress dito sa relasyon kasi nga yung mga pagbabagong nagaganap. With that, laging umaalis. So feeling mo, with the Seven of Swords in here, baka merong third party, or meron na bang third party? Yun ang iyong tanong. So, you're crossing your finger then na with the Judgment, sana wala naman, sana nakafocus sa'yo, or sana iba yung focus, wag lang yung third party. I think hindi mo matatanggap yon. I feel like may inaantay ka ditong either mga signs or magsisimula ka na rin mag-investigate, With the Seven of Swords clarified with the Four of Pentacles and the Knight of Cups. So parang feeling mo may tinatago no, itong person mo. And I feel like meron kang nag-discover dito na um, yung mga kaibigan niya, iba din yung galaw, iba din yung mga sinasabi, no? So parang nagkakaroon ka ng hinala na your person is doing something behind your back. So ang sinasabi mo dito is prevention is better than cure. So mas mabuti nang mapigilan hanggat maaga, no? Yun ang kumbaga nandun ka sa sitwasyon, although wala kang proof for now, pero ang basihan mo dito is yung mga changes kasi nga bumabagal ang takbo to a point na hindi na siya ganun kasaya, no? So this is your reading for now, Capricorn. Tignan natin ang zodiac sign, no, ng person mo. It could be their sun sign or it could be a placement in their chart. No, I'm seeing here Pisces, I'm seeing Taurus, I'm seeing Sagittarius, Cancer, Leo, Aries, no? So this is your reading, Capricorn. Again, for those of you who's new to the channel, don't forget to click the subscribe button, smash the like button, comment below kung kayo nakaka-resonate and hit that notification bell. At kung gusto niyo pong sumali sa live session, sa kabilang channel din po yun. And Capricorn, pwede po kayong magtanong dito sa video na ito, no, sa YouTube, sa comment section, as long as the question is answerable by yes or no. And meron pong form kung kailangan niyo ng explanations. Click the link, you will be routed to my website. Type in your question, click submit. So Capricorn, maraming salamat po, no, sa pagtangkilik. Love and light. Namaste. And see you sa susunod na reading or susunod na live. Goodbye.